And one more thing I might mention is that to zoom in, you might already guess it, you just scroll up and down to zoom in, zoom out. And by holding the Shift key and pressing the middle mouse button, you will zoom in on a little area. One click with the middle mouse button will make you come back. And if you just simply press or hold the middle mouse button pressed, you can pan in a view. If you have any function activated, like for example, member create profile, to call up the setting box, press the right mouse button and you will see the box appearing. If you press OK, each time you create something, the function stays active. We can see that at the bottom left corner of the screen. We can keep adding components with that function. We need a setting box again, right mouse click, change something to this. Take for example a different section here. I'll just randomly create a couple of components, right mouse click to call up the setting box again. And we keep adding components until either we change function or we hit the escape button. So when I hit the escape button, the text in the bottom left corner will go blank, meaning that there's no function active. Now, if I still hover over components, I'll see them highlight, and I'll also see a little tooltip popping up. We call this one Smart Info. This one, if you want to know more about on how to set this, you can see one of the FAQ videos I recently uploaded on how to set anyway the settings for this Smart Info and what you can do with it. Now I've created a couple of things here on screen. If I want to delete any of this, I can drag the right mouse button pressed, go over here and go to 9 o'clock where it says delete members. That is definitely an option. Delete these three, for example. So with the left mouse button pressed, I select the various components or I just click them individually. If I want to deselect something, you just Control and select it again, a bit like selecting files in Windows. Like this. Or if I just undo, I can go back as many steps as I want. Even if I shut down the software and I come back to it, the undo will still be active unless you purge the whole history. But we can go back and forth as much as we have to or want to. If I were to go through the menus, I created these components through the member menu. The last function in that menu is to delete components. Just Windows select everything in this case, enter, and everything will be gone.